response curve of the pandemic times, in order to keep the business alive, almost everyone has spun some or the other operations in the cloud, and they're reaping the benefit of this. Now, when we are in the recovery curve moving towards normalcy, organization wants to retain this benefit of cloud adoption. Security done abruptly during the response phase is in the forefront of discussion now. Because the operation is going to scale in new normal, some of the issues that organizations facing are importantly about data leakage, its residency and privacy issues. Grappling to identify which cloud is more secure. Most of the issue we have seen was from misconfiguration of the cloud. Credential leakage, account hijacking is the most common issue. The API integration and loosely coupled interfaces. Lack of qualified staff is another big challenge. Cloud skill is an issue for sure. The biggest worry moving forward is what about security tools? Should we select cloud native security solution available on the marketplace or replicate the security which we have on-prem? The problem is when we select the on-prem solution to move to the cloud, good amount of them don't work or have limited functionality. So how can we resolve this? Two principles: zero trust and secure by design is the best way moving forward. Zero trust means don't allow anyone and verify everyone. It's not only about accessing to the cloud network but also to the application and its data behind. And check even the legitimate users. To do this, we require secure by design methods, where security is embedded in the application to allow access using business logic for only need to know basis. This shaves off many external security stuff that we need to do. It automatically secures the API integration and interfaces also. All this is possible if you have one common orchestration, visibility and security framework to manage this hybrid setup. Single pane of security glass for both on-premise and cloud setup. Combination of security tools on-premise and on cloud has to integrate and exchange context to keep the same policy and experience to the user from security perspective. Lastly, all this must be in the realm of investment that organization can afford for securing the business. Hence, a proper business impact analysis is to be done so that we don't underdo or overdo the security.